Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and through this video I would like to show you the way how to go on Instagram Live by iOS or iPhone. So Live is the feature that already provided by the Instagram for you to do a streaming and catching up with all of your followers. So the thing that you have to do is just go open your Instagram application, and whenever you are in the home section, or if you are not in the home section, make sure that you are stay in this home sections right here. And whenever you are already in the home section, you just need to slide your screen into the right side until you have an access into this Instagram story camera. And after that, please take a look on this button features right here. There will be like several options over the sections. There will be a post, story, reel, and live. So you just need to go click live. And after that, you can also add a title for here. So here you can select adding the title for the live that you want to create, and after that you just need to go click done. And whenever you are ready, you just need to go click this button and wait until your live is already prepared. And now you already live, so you just need to wait until your follower attending your live section on Instagram. So that's the way how to create or how to go Instagram live on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, guys, and I will see you for the next video.